In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a group on Airtable, and I'll guide you through it step by step to make the process as straightforward as possible. Let's get started. First, we'll need to navigate to Airtable. You can open your web browser and type in airtable.com to reach the homepage. Airtable is a powerful platform that allows you to create collaborative apps without needing to write a single line of code. If you're not already signed in, it's time to do so. Simply click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. You'll need to enter your credentials or use any single sign-on method available. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Airtable homepage. Here, you have access to all your bases, which are essentially collections of linked tables. It's the central hub where all your organizational magic happens. Locate the base you want to work with and click on it. This takes you into the specific dataset or project you are handling. Now that you're inside your chosen base, our next focus is to create a group by organizing your data efficiently. On the interface, you should see an option labeled Group. Click on it. Grouping allows you to better visualize and manage your information, making it easier to find specific entries or patterns within your data. Once you've clicked Group, the next step is to click on See All Fields. This action will display all the categories or columns that are housed in your base. Here, you have the power to decide which fields make the most sense for your grouping goals. Select the field you want the data to be grouped by. For example, if you're grouping by project deadline, client name, or any other criteria, this step will help you design how your data is displayed. Remember, well-organized data can make a world of difference in how you operate day to day. Grouping your data not only enhances readability, but also allows for greater efficiency when scanning through information for insights or actions you need to take. And there you have it. In just a few moments, you've successfully set up a group in Airtable, making your data management more accessible and user-friendly. I hope this walkthrough was useful and inspired you to make the most out of Airtable's grouping feature. Thanks for joining me today, and happy creating.